Hello students, we will be discussing this question which states two wires are made of same material and have same volume. The first wire has cross-sectional area A and the second wire has cross-sectional area 3A. If the length of the first wire is increased by del L on applying a force F, how much force is needed to stretch the second wire by the same amount? So basically we'll be taking two wires. This is the first wire having cross-sectional area A and 3L and force F. This is the second wire which has similar force F dash, 3A cross-sectional area and length L. So according to the formula, we know del L equal to F upon AY into 3L for the first wire. For second wire, it will be delta L equal to F upon 3AY into just L. So equating these equations 1 and 2, we get a relation of F as this is F dash equal to 9F. So it will be 9 times. So the option 3 would be correct for this question.